What if you plug a volcano with concrete? Let's say you wake up one day, look out the window, and think, you know what? I'm tired of this volcano stuff. Too smoky, too unpredictable. Let's fix it. Let's plug the whole thing up with concrete. Sounds ridiculous, right? But let's not dismiss this genius idea just yet. After all, humans have tried to stop nature before. We've built dams to tame rivers, walls to hold back oceans, and air conditioning to fight the sun. So, why not just pour a few million tons of cement into a volcano and call it a day? Imagine this. You and your brave team of construction workers, wearing hard hats and holding massive hoses, stand at the edge of a bubbling, angry volcano. Lava gurgles below. The air smells like roasted brimstone and poor life choices. But you're ready. You hit the pump. Concrete starts flowing. At first, it seems to work. The lava slows, the smoke settles, and someone even sets up a barbecue nearby. Because hey, why not celebrate humanity's greatest triumph, defeating a volcano with glorified gray mud? But then, the volcano starts to push back. Here's the thing. Volcanoes aren't just big mountain candles with lava on top. They're pressure systems, massive geological blisters caused by molten rock from deep within the earth. Underneath, magma is constantly trying to rise, escape, and express itself, like a teenager with a Twitter account. When you try to trap that pressure with something as rigid as concrete, you're basically putting a cork in a soda bottle that's being shaken from the inside forever. The magma doesn't stop. It keeps building, rising, and now, thanks to you, it has no clear exit. The concrete plug holds for a little while, until it doesn't. Crack. The ground trembles. You hear a low rumble, like a dragon clearing its throat. Then the volcano does something it hasn't done in centuries. It explodes, but not like the usual lava flowing kind. No, this is a pressurized eruption, one that makes a nuclear bomb look like a party popper. Chunks of concrete the size of trucks are launched miles into the sky. Ash clouds spread across countries. Lava doesn't flow, it detonates. The pressure that had nowhere to go is now being released all at once, violently, spectacularly. Your little DIY project just turned into a global problem. And here's the worst part. You've made future eruptions even more unpredictable. See, volcanoes have natural vents and escape paths that form over thousands of years. By clogging one up, you've forced the magma to look for a new way out. Maybe through a mountain, a crack in the earth.
Could we design a better material than concrete? Maybe. Something ultra-heat resistant, flexible, and able to handle tectonic shifts. But even then, the problem remains. You're trying to fight the Earth, and the Earth always wins. Fun fact: in 1935, the US military actually tried to bomb a lava flow in Hawaii to redirect it away from towns. It didn't work, because lava doesn't care. It just keeps coming. So, what if you plugged a volcano with concrete? Best case, the plug melts, the lava wins, and you learn a valuable lesson about humility. Worst case, you create a pressurized bomb under your feet and rewrite the landscape in the most dramatic way possible. Either way, congratulations. You've officially lost a battle against molten rock that's been cooking for millions of years. Next time, maybe just let the volcano vent.